Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very powerful, effective love spell video in which you are just going to think about your partner for 25 seconds only. Only for 25 seconds you are going to think about your partner and your partner will be completely with you. Whatever you have to say, you will be completely, your partner will be obliged to do that. He or she will not be able to think anything apart from you. Whatever you are going to say, your partner will do. You just need to make sure that you think for your partner 25 seconds. Mind these words, it might sound you very simple for some of you, but it is not as simple as which it is perceiving right now. But if you do it carefully, it's very simple. Now there are certain instructions which I want to give you. First of all, you are going to start this spell on Tuesday. Then after, you are going to start this spell at this time. A black cloth, can be t-shirt, can be your socks, can be a black thread on your wrist arm, can be a black cap, can be something which is not your naturally any cloth, you can get it. A black cloth needs to be on your body, right? And fourth thing, the most important and the crucial one is that your target person must have not any word with you for the last 3 days. If your target person, your ex, your love, your husband or your wife, whoever he or she is, has not talked to you for the last 3 days, then this is the spell which is going to work for you. Even if he or she is not talking to you for last more than 3 days, then also this spell will work. Minimum 3 days have to be there, right? So on Tuesday at sharp 12 p.m. you are going to sit on the floor. Sit calm down. There should be no disturbance, no interference. Your energy should be with you only. You need to close your eyes and you need to think positive. You need to think about your partner for maximum 15 minutes. That is till 12:27 p.m. you are going to meditate and you are going to think about your partner. So once you have done it, immediately at 12:27 p.m. your mind should be completely blank. It should not have any thought, especially regarding your target person. Your mind should be free from all the thoughts of your target person for 25 seconds. And if you have done it, believe me, before 12:28 your partner, your target person will call you will say that I love you, I cannot live without you. Whatever you are going to say, I will do it. It's a powerful call me, miss me, no ingredient spells, free spell, no materials are required, only that 25 seconds should be completely blank, no thought. At 12:27 for next 25 seconds there should not be even a single thought. And if you have been able to do it, believe me, not even God, not even angels of this universe can stop you from getting your target person back to your life. If you need any help regarding this spell, or if you have any doubt regarding this spell, please feel free to ask us on the given number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.